Section 1. Birds as sensors. Birds have always been part of our world, a constant presence in our cities and our skies. We see them every day, perched on wires. We see them fluttering in parks. They are a small piece of wilderness in our urban lives. But that familiar picture is changing. A new idea is taking hold. The idea is simple. It is also deeply unsettling. Birds can be used as sensors, living, flying tools for watching, not science fiction, a reality unfolding now on city streets. Section 2. The NERI Project. A company in Moscow announced a successful test, remote-controlled pigeons. The news emerged with quiet, startling clarity. NERI presented it as a serious technological achievement. They released images and details of their work. Birds fitted with custom electronics. Packs receive commands. The true innovation is inside the skull. Electrodes implanted directly into the brain. A direct link between human operator and animal mind. A fleet of controllable biological drones. Tested on pigeons. Adaptable to other species. Section 3. How the bio-drone works. A marvel of miniaturization and neuroengineering. It begins with delicate surgery. A stereotactic apparatus places electrodes precisely, targeting circuits that guide flight and orientation. NERI claims routine safety and 100% survival. Once implanted, the animal is permanently changed. No longer just an animal, part machine. The backpack houses a microprocessor, battery, and radio. A command is sent. The receiver picks it up. Code becomes electrical pulse patterns. Pulses stimulate the brain. Impulse to fly, to turn, to land. Section 4. A history of animal agents. Acoustic Kitty aimed to turn a cat into a listening device. On its first test, the cat ran into the street and was killed. A costly lesson in the limits of animal free will. In 2006, HIMEMS funded cyborg insects for reconnaissance, electronics inserted during metamorphosis to integrate with the body. Large beetles carried microprocessors, radios, and implants. Electrical impulses commanded flight, takeoff, turn left, turn right, land. Goal: deliver an insect within 5 meters of a target from 100 meters. Uses included surveillance and search and rescue. This work established the scientific basis for today's bio-drones. Section 5. The American counterpart. U.S. research pursued biomimetics and biohybrids in parallel. Path 1. Direct neural control of living organisms. Open publications, military funding, clear intent. Path 2. Machines that mimic animals. Biomimetic drones. Even taxidermy used to achieve lifelike flight. Robots don't get distracted. They follow programming. Given the history, classified capabilities likely exceed public projects. Focus may favor reliable, less controversial biomimetic drones. Commercialization suggests tools and techniques are spreading. Section 6. The Tesla Connection. Tesla unveiled the teleautomaton, a radio-controlled boat. He sent will across the airwaves to an inanimate machine. He imagined unmanned systems making war impersonal. Later, he loved New York's pigeons, companions, not tools. Today, those worlds fuse. Remote control applied to a living mind. The bird becomes a teleautomaton of flesh and blood, a profound inversion, animating robots versus overriding will, a dark echo of Tesla's dream, technology trespassing into consciousness. As this spreads, we must adapt our perception. 3 categories: real, biodrone, biomimetic. The first remains the most common: wild, uncontrolled, living their lives. Second, a living biodrone, will partially overwritten. A remote signal can guide its path. Third, a biomimetic drone, purely mechanical, lifelike motion. Light materials, precise actuation, realistic surfaces. Reliable, no instincts to override. The animal shape without the spirit. At a distance, nearly impossible to tell apart. A new uncertainty. Every flutter could be surveillance. 3 risks: privacy, welfare, warfare. Thousands of flying cameras create pervasive, hard-to-detect surveillance. Face blurring is not enough. Clothing, gait, and location still track people. Protests monitored, routines mapped, sensitive sites observed. Invasive brain implants raise profound ethical questions, scaling up risks a factory line of animal-machine hybrids, ideal for espionage and gray zone conflict. Bases surveilled, leaders followed. Even small payload delivery. Attribution is hard. States, militants, or corporations could be responsible. Not panic. Attention. A powerful tool for good or ill. It can save lives or chill civic life. The tech is here. The choice is how we manage it. We need laws, ethical guardrails, and public awareness. Guard our privacy and protect living creatures. Legislate where, how, and what data is collected with real penalties. International agreements. Time is short. Developers must publish, review openly, and lead on boundaries. An informed public can demand protections and never stop watching the sky. Special thanks to Thunderbird Perch for making this video possible. Thanks for watching. Think about it. You will live longer. A new world awaits.